Okay. Yeah, it's still raining, of course, as you can see. You can kind of hear some thunder in the distance. Listen carefully. But yeah. Trying to show the rain without like showing any of the license plates on the cars. So I care about people's privacy and stuff. Yeah. Last night at about 6, I woke up and yeah, I filmed some of the rain. I went back to sleep. Like last night, I actually had a dream about a tornado hitting Alliance. Yeah, looks pretty dark down there. In fact, yesterday, earlier today, there actually been a couple of tornado watches and warnings in like northwest and like central Ohio. Looks pretty crazy down there. I don't think Northeast Ohio has gotten like any warning. I don't know if Northeast Ohio is under any like severe threats of like getting a tornado or anything like that. I mean, who knows? Maybe we will, but I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see deeper into what day is it? February 28th. Yeah. I'm supposed to be interested in filming down there. It's about dark it looks. But yeah, anyways, alright, I think I'm gonna stop recording here. And see you guys in the next video.